It's a fact. Our everyday lives revolve around power. And usually at the worst possible time, your cell phone dies. Computers run low. Tablets and technology run out of juice. And when you least expect it, your battery is dead. Tires are flat. Equipment is deflated, leaving you stranded, frustrated, and on edge. Not anymore. Now you can power up, charge up, and pump up anytime, anywhere. Introducing the revolutionary SmartTech Power Kit. This amazing portable power pack is a dependable power source that instantly charges your cell phone. Powerful enough to charge and bring your computer, tablet, and all your technology back to life again. A 12-volt power source to bring comfort just about anywhere. It's also a powerful 500-amp jump starter that will fire up your motorcycles, cars, vans, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and boats. That's not all. It's also a rugged 150 PSI air pump that pumps up pool toys, sports equipment, bike tires, motorcycles, cars, trucks, and even transport trucks. And look at this. It's also a powerful flashlight with solid emergency flashing and SOS functions all built in. And it's so compact, it stores anywhere, so you can use it everywhere. The secret to the SmartTech Power Kit is our unique smart technology that allows the 12,000 milliamp lithium-ion battery to be sustained for well over a year, providing all of your jumping, pumping, and charging needs. No more hassles with long, tangled cables, losing power when you need it most, or being tethered to a wall waiting to charge up. No more stranded with a dead battery ever again. Because with SmartTech, you always have car starting power right at your fingertips, so you and your loved ones are always safe. SmartTech is so advanced, it protects you from shock or sparking, thanks to the SmartTech Power Kit's built-in circuitry protection. The Power Kit even lets you know if you've accidentally reversed the cable, so there's no guessing.
Why should you use Blue Driver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBD2 scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. Blue Driver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with Blue Driver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes from the Identifix database of experienced ASE certified mechanics. Blue Driver is simple to use. Download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use Blue Driver to turn the check engine light off. With Blue Driver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. Blue Driver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan tool professionals trust most. Get Blue Driver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle.
Presenting the biggest thing to hit the road. Garmin Drive Smart 65 with Amazon Alexa. You can ask Alexa to play music from sources like Amazon Music, Pandora, SiriusXM, iHeartRadio, and more. And have Alexa do all kinds of things, like create to-do lists, check your calendar, news, weather, even access Alexa Smart Home, all displayed on a big 6.95-inch screen. You also enjoy voice-activated navigation. Just ask Garmin for directions to find points of interest and much more. It's road trip ready with features such as TripAdvisor, Foursquare, and History Network sites. There's even a directory of U.S. national parks. Plus, It includes Garmin Traffic to help you avoid congestion and tie-ups. Built-in Wi-Fi makes map and software updates easy and convenient. Pair with a compatible smartphone for hands-free calling and smart notifications. Garmin Drive Smart 65. With Amazon Alexa, it's the biggest thing to hit the road.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rear-view mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus. Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera by Nanda.
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. This is the real world. Accidents happen. You can't prevent damage from a hailstorm or a reckless driver sideswiping your parked car, but you can give yourself the security of knowing it will be caught on tape. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.
Protect your kids' sensitive skin from glare, sun damage, and intense heat with Auto Sunscreen by ATK. Easy, convenient, effective. The Auto Sunscreen installs in seconds. Simply slide it over your open car door and stretch down like a sleeve. It provides protection, privacy, and it stays securely in place once installed. With 2 sizes available, normal and extra large, it will fit most vehicles. Please refer to our sizing chart for recommended sizing, or feel free to message us if you have any questions. Why bother struggling with suction cups or retractable shades that provide limited shade? Protect your little ones from harmful UV rays by up to 98%. This is the only auto sunscreen that has been tested and certified by the Australian Radiation Protection Agency. Our sunscreen is double layered, providing your kids with twice the protection. And because it slides over the door, you can roll down your car windows to enjoy the fresh air and cool outdoor breeze without losing the shade. You won't have to worry about bugs and insects during long drives and camping trips. Made from stretchy yet absolutely durable material, it can withstand elements and survive many long drives. Each ATK sunshade also comes with a cute baby on board static sticker. Never compromise on quality. Never compromise on protection.